my viewers, and my name is Ayana, and today I'm at the Haitian Community Center. And at this event, we're celebrating the 4th of July, which means everybody gathers together to celebrate the independence of the United States of America. And here there is great food, people dancing, there's good music, and I see people having a good time. Now I decided to interview some people, 5, 6, 4, I'm not those people, I'm not that good amount. Then I said to myself, my opinion is that this is a great place for people to go to. But you don't need my opinion only, you need others' opinions too. So, without further ado, let's get started and hear other people's opinions. The food's happening. I smell some good food coming my way. Woohoo! There's some lettuce. I think there's some hamburgers. There's sodas. There's some water. Woo! And there's some bread. There's 2 different kinds of bread. There's corn. There's a hot dog. There's chicken. And wow, this is a good place. Okay. Here I see people sitting down and listening to the music and eating some food. And I see people having fun. Next thing I see right there is I see people playing dominoes. They're trying to win. And then right over here in the corner, people playing some cards. Now, a few minutes ago, I was actually watching them playing some cards. But now, I want everybody to see. So here are them playing some cards and trying to beat the other. Who's gonna win?
He's winning now.
Okay, now I see young people, old people, little babies, a lot of people, different kinds, men, women, kids. They're having an awesome time. And right here is a booth where everybody's sitting down and having some fun, and then there's a DJ playing some music, some good music here. He's doing a really great job, and everybody's just sitting here in the shade so they don't get that burning sunlight from over there. And here, I just see some good stuff happening. I see people drinking soda, drinking beer, and just having some fun, talking to each other. And then this brings the food, the playing, they're having fun, and the DJ brings it all together to make a big Bon Appetit celebration, shall we? Okay, now we're going to the father's house. The priest who basically does church around here. And he's basically a big part of the Haitian Community Center. He is right here. His house is right over there. And I see him having fun too, talking with some friends, laughing. This is the best celebration, guys. You guys should come back next year, and this is a good celebration. Now we're here, and as you could see, people are talking and laughing and drinking beer, drinking soda, and this is them right over here. How are you all, people? Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Is that me?
And this is the father, the big person in the Haitian Community Center.
Hello.
This is everything. Now, what do you do in the Haitian Community Center?
We do a lot of things.
What's your job?
We got masses. My first job is to do mass here and to your confessions. And we got other activities during the weekdays. We got a food pantry for the people. And we got youth group on Saturday for the kids. And we got adults, we got a lot of we got a lot of choirs. We got men choirs. We got 3 other choirs. And that's all.
Thank you for talking to me. Hello, my viewers, and today I'm going to be interviewing someone. Could you please identify your name for our viewers?
Yeah, my name is Chris.
What do you think about the cookout?
Yeah, I think it's really fun. We're having fun right here. People cooking beer, having some food in here. It's very fun. Yeah.
What do you mostly like about this celebration and the celebration here?
To be honest, I really I think just everybody come here like it's not our. I don't think it has nothing to do with the Haitian community because it's just 4th of July. I don't really think it's something that we should celebrate anyway. We're just here. It's a holiday. Everybody's here having fun. That's it.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
What did you do for the summer?
Oh, I work.
Okay, so I have a question for you. What do you think about the cookout?
Oh, it was good. I was so hungry right now. Now I'm full. Thanks to God.
Are you enjoying the cookout?
Oh yeah, every year.
Tell me what you mostly like about the cookout.
Like it's the reunion between people that you haven't seen before and people you haven't seen in a long time coming together to celebrate. Basically, yeah.
I appreciate for you talking to me. Hello.
Hello,
Could you please identify your name for our viewers?
my name is Marvel Morales.
What did you do for the summer?
This summer I've been hanging out with friends and partying like every week.
What do you think about the cookout?
Oh, I really enjoy it. Me and my brother were having fun and my mom brought us out so that we could eat. It's really fun. I like the food.
What do you mostly like about the cookout? And what do you mostly like about this celebration?
About the cookout, I love the food that they make. The celebration, I like that everyone's socializing with each other and having fun.
I appreciate you talking to me.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Sorry, do this. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Ko di nom pou moun ap gade?
Non pas moi,
Yeah.
c'est Franska.
Ok. Ki sa ou fe an sommet?
Moi personnellement, nous dans la communauté, on a fait plus l'activité dans la communauté là. Non seulement nous avons barbecue ça, mais nous allons l'autre barbecue qui va venir là 19 août. Après ça, nous allons gagner un boat ride pour tout le monde qui aller dans le bateau à visiter la Statue de la Liberté et tout ça. On sightseeing, belle bagaille. Nous là.
Ou gade fireworks yo?
Oui, nous regardons les fireworks. Oui. C'est une belle bagage, c'est une tradition chaque année. Obligé de mener tout le monde à regarder les fireworks. C'est pour qu'il y ait une culture américaine vivante. C'est ça, pour nous célébrer l'indépendance américaine, c'est ça?
Ki sa ou te moins aimé à la célébration ça?
Si ça, moi, répondre une question encore.
Ki sa ou aimé à la célébration ça?
Qui ça, moi, aimé dans la célébration, ça? C'est histoire et pays, hein. Et c'est qui ça li vaut pour peuple immigrant yo, ou bien qui ça que nous n'a pas apprendre, nous ca apprendre l'autre génération de date ça qui ça pour pays ça que nous vivre là-dedans là. C'est ça qui est très important là-dedans, c'est ça pour nous toujours songer. C'est ça 4 juillet 1776 était représenté pour les États-Unis. C'est ça pour nous comprendre et pour tout le monde comprendre.
Merci pour parler avec moi.
Merci, c'est un plaisir.
Qui ça oppose à un cookout là?
Mais cookout là c'est un bagage qui est habituel. Nous toujours fait chaque 4. L'église catholique là toujours fait chaque 4 juillet pour nous commémorer ensemble avec américaines et fête de l'indépendance. C'est ça qui fait nous toujours faire cookout là et puis nous inviter tout le monde tout. Ça veut dire pour venir l'église là, pour venir manifester, pour venir bailler foi dans l'église catholique ensemble avec nous.
Merci pour parler avec moi.
Merci beaucoup.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Quand on dit non pour moi ça regarder?
Mon nom c'est Yves Nicolas.
Qui ça vous fait dans sommeil?
Pour sommeil, bien entendu, moi reposer mes pieds parce que je travaille avant le sommeil arrivé. So, moi relax pour sommeil.
Qui ça vous supposé à dans cookout là? What do you think about the cookout?
Oh, that is good, good. Everybody come in, eat free, dancing, free, but it's good. C'est une belle idée, c'est une belle initiative. Oh, télévision est bon parce que les aide les communautés, les bail aux nouvelles, les informer, vous comprenez, les rendre moins stress. Bon, c'est un bon bagage pour la communauté. La télévision fait un pile bagage pour la communauté.
Merci pour parler avec moi.
Ok, pas de problème.
Merci. As you can see, I interviewed some people, and if they're watching this, I appreciate you guys for talking, pour parler avec moi. So, merci pour parler avec moi, qui m'a interviewé et a regardé ça. Merci pour parler avec moi. M'apprécie ça. Qu'on y a, yo gen moun sa danser, qu'on y a l'état pour tout le monde pour enjoy. Merci pour regarder Haitian Television Network. And we love you. Oh, this thing's burning. mettez, mettez tout bien comme, demandez combat.